What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching sstectutorial. And guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can create a macOS USB bootable drive, so that using that drive you can easily install macOS on any Windows PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, to create a macOS bootable USB drive, you have to take at least 16 GB USB pen drive. Here I'm gonna using the 64 GB USB pen drive to create a bootable USB drive. But you have to minimum use 16 GB USB pen drive. So first let's connect our pen drive with our computer. Now let's get into our computer. So guys, now you can see my computer screen. Now first of all, you have to download couple of software to create macOS bootable USB drive. So open up your browser and first of all search on Google Etcher. Then go to this first website etcher.blender.io. Then click on download Etcher. And you can download the HS software from here. You can download the installer, or also you can use the portable one. Then take another tab and here search on Google Explorer++. Then go to this first website explorer++.com and download this Explorer++ by clicking on this link. Then take another tab and now search here mini partition tool free. Then go to this first website partitionwizard.com. Then click on download Partition Wizard and download the free edition. Then take another tab and search on Google CPU-Z. Then go to this first link cpuid.com. Then click on Setup English this button. Then click on this download now button to download the CPU-Z software. After downloading all of this software, make sure you have installed all of this software on your computer. Then what you need to do, you have to open up the CPU-Z software where you want to install the macOS, and into this CPU-Z software you have to take a note about the code name of your processor. I'm not gonna create the bootable USB drive for this computer. I'm gonna create a bootable USB drive for my Windows computer, and that Windows computer CPU has a code name as well. So you have to make sure to take a note of the computer CPU where you want to install the macOS and the bootable USB drive creating for. So you have to take the note of the code name of your processor. So again, get back to your browser, take another tab and search here Olarilla, and from here go to EFI folders, and from here you have to find out your desktop CPU code name. Here you can see different type of CPU code name. In my case, I have to download this as well because the Windows computer where I want to install macOS, that computer CPU code name is as well. So I have to download this file from here. Then go to vanilla images. Here you can find different type of macOS raw file. Now let me guide you how you can create a bootable USB drive using all of this application and the Catalina macOS raw file. So first of all, you have to open up HS software. Then from here click on fresh from file and select your Catalina raw file or any macOS raw file. Then click on open. Then click on select target and select your USB thumb drive. Then click on select. Then click on flash. And now this HS software going to automatically flash the macOS Catalina raw file into our USB drive. It's gonna take some time, so you have to wait until the flashing has been completed. When the flashing get completed, you have to open mini partition tool. Then from here you have to identify your USB drive. Here you can see this is my USB flash drive. Here the Blender HS software created a partition called EFI. So you have to select that EFI partition, right click on it, then click on change letter. And from here you have to assign a letter for your EFI file. Here I am going to give it I. Then click on OK. Then click on apply. Then yes. Then OK. Now you can close this mini tool free partition wizard. Now if I open the Windows Explorer and go to this PC, here you can see now we have a EFI folder. Now again get back to downloads folder, and here you can see we have downloaded the Explorer++. You have to extract this file, and into this folder you will get explorer++.exe. You have to run this explorer++exe using the administrator. Now from here go to EFI partition, and here you will get a folder called EFI. You have to delete this EFI folder from here. Okay, now again open up your Windows Explorer, go to Downloads, and now from here you have to extract the EFI partition whatever you downloaded from the olarilla.com. This is the OpenCore EFI file. You have to extract it, then go to this folder, and here you can see we have a folder called EFI. Into that EFI OpenCore folder, you have to copy this folder from here, then paste it on your Explorer++ EFI partition. Okay, now close this Explorer++. So guys, now our bootable USB drive for macOS installer is ready for our computer. Now let's test it out. I'm not going to show you the complete process about installing the macOS on Windows computer in this video. This video's main motive is to creating a bootable USB drive for macOS installer. So now let's test this macOS USB installer and see does it really works or not. So I'm going to connect this USB installer with my computer. Then I have to power up my computer and boot my computer from the USB pen drive. Here you can see my boot menu. Now from here I have to select UEFI USB flash drive, then press enter. And here you can see we get an option called install macOS Catalina. Now using this option we can easily install macOS Catalina on our Windows computer. So guys, like this you can easily create a macOS bootable USB drive from a Windows computer. In my next video I will show you how you can install macOS on any Windows computer or laptop using this bootable USB drive. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching a tech tutorial, and I'm signing out.